like a sledgehammer.
So it's friendly, just very excitable. Good boy, Dexter.
So I'm actually here today to be driving a 1.1S Rover Metro from my mate Jordan. He's just got it, it's only got 13,000 miles on it. I've never been in the Metro, let alone driven one, so it's going to be like a POV drive, whatever, here in the CRX. There's the Lotus Sunbeam, tailbot, what have you. That's pretty awesome. Anyway, let's get to the video. So today, I'm driving my mate Jordan's Rover 1.1S Metro. It's done 13,000 miles from new, and he just saved it from a garage in London. I'm going to take it for a POV drive. Never been in a Metro. All my family had Fiestas, Mark IIIs and Mark IIs. And next to it is Neil's Mark I Austin Mini Metro. Check that out, it's won awards, look at that. Neil Anna's 1983 Austin Metro. Very nice, and he has kindly said I can drive this at some point. I need to go and take a drive up to Norwich to have a go with it. More than happy to have a go. And this is his Instagram here. I was going to put it on anyway. That's South Coast Metro. This is my friend Jordan's mini Rover Metro. Hello,
yes.
sir.
Hello.
But yeah, tell me about the car. You saved it from a garage.
Yes, we did. So the last guy, he brought it and basically wanted a car on a carb and wanted to do a few like car shows and stuff like that with it, and he couldn't use it due to lockdown and it just sat in his garage, so he put it up for sale and I was the first one to jump on it, and yeah, no, really happy with it. Really clean, and
it runs nice.
Yes, yeah, it definitely runs really nice. Yes,
I was really surprised, but I'm well looking forward to having a go of it.
Yeah,
so thank you very much.
No, you're welcome, mate. You're welcome.
So, without further ado, I think we need to get in the thing.
Yeah, let's
go for a little drive. Right. Oh, it's a good quality door close there. Check that out. Sounds like when you're playing GTA and you're about to nick someone's car.
Get out, pop!
Oh, this is amazing. Cool. Let's start her up. So, key on the right, the choker's down here. Just so quiet. Turn the choke down a little bit. No, it's lovely, mate. Right, chuck the old bill out on. Oh, they're so nice at the red. Check that out.
Yeah, the red S seat belts as well.
Yeah, mate.
Same as the GTIs, and I love the seats as well.
They're well nice.
Little bucket in the seats. And
These would be nicer than Mini.
Yeah.
But obviously they'll probably bolt straight in as well, I reckon.
Yeah, more than likely, definitely.
Into gear. I'm guessing the lights are... Is it this?
Yeah.
Oh, mad. Wicked. Right, I'm in gear.
That's it.
Good. Never driven a Metro before in my life, so this is a new one for me. Awesome horn. The amount of times I nearly bought one of these, I'm so annoyed with myself that I didn't get one. Yeah, I'm gutted because they used to be so cheap.
Yeah.
Another video for YouTube driving one of these. That was Michael Carpenter, who runs East Coast Retros.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely geezer. You never been here before, ever?
No, never.
Honestly.
No, I've...
Annoyingly, we're here late now, but
yeah.
When apparently the field was full earlier, I got here late as well because I was at home playing the Xbox and whatever. Typical.
A few that left.
Oh, this is lovely, mate. This is so nice, this little thing.
It's a nice feel to it. It's a proper driver's car, like you're connected.
Oh, it runs lovely, this. You can barely hear it running.
Yeah, it's so quiet, like really quiet.
Like even if I was to close the windows.
Yeah, you can't really hear a thing.
No, I mean obviously the sunroof's open, but
yeah,
that's all right. Wow, man, this is lovely. Feels so nice.
Yeah, so obviously you've got the hydroelastic suspension and no anti-roll bar.
Oh, is that what's on these?
Yeah. So
oh, nice.
You've got the hydro gas in there. Yes, and no anti-roll bar on this one.
Safety first. Don't worry, mate. I was waiting for you. Oh, this is wicked. And it's got no anti-roll bars.
Yeah, no.
Oh, so it's really leany.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's got the lean. This is brilliant. It's funny because I remember seeing these in police chase videos. It would always come up and they go, "Oh, he's nicked his nan's Metro," and then it'd come flying around the corner, and then it'd be a Vauxhall Astra police car, normally, or a Sierra. Yeah.
The Metro screaming its head off.
Yeah, mate. Like this doesn't feel slow. I mean, I haven't gone for it, but this doesn't feel slow. It just feels as I would expect a 1.1 from the early 90s to feel. What year is this car?
So it's 1992, this one.
Oh, lovely. A year after I was born. It's definitely in better condition than I am. Check out the horn again.
First up, you fast on.
Yeah, they drive. It's hard to explain unless you drive one yourself.
This is...
The way
I could easily use this as a daily.
Yeah.
I can see it. The steering wheel's nice. The seats are nice. The ride's really nice.
Yeah, obviously pedals are a bit close together and the steering wheel's slightly off centre to your left.
Yeah, the minis are the same.
Yeah,
you sort of sit like that way and the steering wheel's this way.
Yeah.
I don't know why they did that. I don't know if that's to make you more... I don't know. I don't really understand why they did that.
Yeah.
But that's just how they did it, I guess. And this feels comfy. Like my CRX is fully polybush with coilovers and all that stuff. Semi-slick tyres on, low profiles, and that's pretty solid. This feels lovely. This feels like a Rolls Royce in comparison. This is a really nice ride. But this is a wicked little car. Quite an optimistic speedo, saying 130 miles an hour.
Yeah, a bit optimistic.
I imagine it. I reckon it will do a ton.
98. 99.
Obviously, we stick to 70 miles an hour in this country, though.
Yes, definitely.
We'll leave that for the Autobahn. I do miss Germany. Yeah, this looks alright. Where I'm sat. I need to sit back a bit.
It feels a lot faster in this than your everyday sort of standard car.
Yeah, definitely.
Again, back in the day.
I'm going to have to stop anyway, so do you mind if I do an acceleration?
No, I don't mind. Yeah, go for it.
Let's see what it's like getting up to 30 miles an hour. Flat out. That's 30 miles an hour. That's not bad. Yeah, that's alright, yeah.
The 31-year-old car, the little
1.1, yeah. I see what you mean, yeah. That would be easy to change old screw. I reckon you'll have to take off the air filter and the housing off the top, and then I reckon there'd just be a screw.
Yeah, there's a screw on the inside that you can wind in a bit just to...
So for 1.1, this ain't slow.
No,
this is alright.
The weight of it as well, obviously it doesn't weigh much, and that obviously helps a lot.
Another go?
Yeah.
Right, foot down. That's brilliant. Wow, this is awesome. That might be third. Yeah, that was third. God, it's nice that it's got a fifth gear as well. You can definitely tell.
So the last one I had obviously was only a 4-speed.
Did you have the shape like Neil's behind?
No, so I had this shape.
Yeah.
Just the standard 1.1C. And that had the added boot spoiler and GTI wheels. But yeah, that was 4-speed. With a 5-speed on this, you don't notice much difference, to be fair. No,
this is lovely. The interior is really nice. I like all the materials and stuff. This genuinely feels like I've just won a car on Bullseye.
That's it.
Let's have a look on what you could have won.
The price is right.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah.
But I remember them being all sparkly and like, whoa, Rover Metro.
Yeah.
Like
the
that was.
Put in behind it.
Oh, I love it. Oh, this is it. This is wicked fun, mate. This is a lovely little car. It's always fancied one of these. I don't know. There's just something. I like boxy cars, and obviously I'm into the minis and stuff. So obviously this is basically a mini underneath, but a modern one.
Yeah, exactly.
But no, this is wicked.
Yeah, they feel so weird to drive, but in a good way.
I like it. I mean, it does feel old, but it feels like a good old.
Yeah, you can still daily it. 100%.
Oh, definitely, you can daily this.
I daily it at the minute, and I'm in and out of it. Tesco's, whatever I need to do, I go. And when you're in it and you're driving it, you get used to it. It just feels like an everyday car.
I mean, obviously, cars like this are so unsafe.
Yeah.
But you accept that driving it. You're like, if I have a crash, so God forbid, in an accident, you don't fare too well in a car like this.
No.
RCRX is the same.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't, like, even the larger cars suffered quite bad. Volvos were pretty much the safest thing on the road at the time.
They were, yeah.
Like, when you watch a crash test video, compared to today, it's not great. But compared to like stuff like this, you're like, wow, it's like amazing.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, I take a lot of cautions when driving this. Obviously, I keep your distance from the car in front.
Because of the brakes and that.
Yeah, because the brakes aren't good on these.
Mm.
You definitely got to take
lovely.
caution.
The steering wheel's really nice on this. Like, it's really nice and
it's
squidgy, and it feels kind of sporty.
Yeah.
Like, it's got like a nice grip to it. It's weird. This almost seems like it should have an airbag because it's so squidgy, but it's just like a big chunky airbag steering wheel.
A little bit of foam to headbutt just in case.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. On the old Minis, I was told about that when you have a front engine impact. Steering column comes back and the steering wheel like hits you in the face. I was like, great, cheers.
Yes.
But that's quite a bad accident. Like, if you have an accident like that in a Mini, you're basically dead anyway. So
exactly,
I'm actually going to put the lights on properly, because I don't trust people. We've just spoken about the safety. Well, it does lean, but I quite like it. It's a comfortable lean.
Yeah, it's not wallowy like boat wallowy.
No,
It some cars
definitely could be worse. But no, this is all right. Like, you can definitely tell there's no anti-roll bars, because like when you turn straight away, it's like, whoa.
Yeah, you get that lean.
I like it though.
Yeah, like I say, you don't see cars like this every day anymore.
No, you don't. Not anymore.
Especially me daily in this, like, I get a lot of people.
You must get people to talk to you in petrol garages and stuff.
Yeah, I was in Stowe the other day, going through the town centre, and stopped at traffic lights. And
everyone's like,
middle-aged women's, oh my God, I've seen one of these for years. I had one of them as the first car. And
so good.
it's just the conversation front of it as well is nice. Like, you get to meet new people and talk about the car and what experiences they've had with the similar sort of car.
So I'm going to hold back a bit now because there's some wicked corners coming up. Have a bit of fun in it if you don't mind.
Yeah, of course you can.
I'll hold back because no one ever goes for it for a second gear. Foot down. Yes. He used to have a Metro.
Oh, right.
That's Sam.
Oh, nice.
This is brilliant. I haven't driven a car like this in a long time. There's just something so special about like a...
No driving aids.
No, it's just so good.
You the car on the road.
I'm going to hold back again. Look at that view. Your Wheel Bridge.
Lovely view.
Let's go again. Nyong. Woohoo!
I'll say it's not shy of the corner, is it?
This is so good. Brilliant. This is so fun. Love it. Oh, brilliant. Oh, this is great, man. I love it.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this is honestly brilliant. I think they're going up in value because of how few of them there are. Like, so many got scrapped, and they're probably still getting scrapped day after day.
Yeah.
Because you imagine if a little old lady in London's got one and they're like, we'll give you $2,000 for it, like a scrappage scheme, you're going to take the $2,000.
Exactly.
Because $2,000's a lot of money for a Metro.
Yeah. Enjoyed it?
Do you mind if I have it a little bit round the roundabout?
Yeah, go for it.
Because I'm going to turn back round and then park over here for the end of the video.
Yeah, that's fine, mate.
I just wanted to see what it'd be like. Not like mental, but... First gear. That's so good. Oh, that's so good. He's coming with us, young Neil. I thought he was going home from here.
Yeah, I thought he was. He's like, park up with us here for a bit later.
He's made it. He's coming with us. Wow, this is great. You can definitely tell there's no anti-roll bars, but it's really comfortable. And oh, see, the steering's all right. Look, one-handed.
Yeah,
there you go. Look, that's all right. Look, palming it, as Johnny Smith would say from the Late Break Show. Palming it. Let's park them up together. Check that out. Look. Yeah, the idle's gone. Yeah, or it's about to cut out, I reckon.
Yeah, sometimes she cuts out.
Or the idle was very low. There we go.
Perfect.
No, I love it, mate.
No, no worries.
Oh, it's very nice, but it's just wicked. And again. Ah, brilliant. Thank you very much for letting me drive it.
No worries, mate.
Awesome.
No,
but
glad
yeah,
you enjoyed it.
Right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And go and check out Misha's video of him smashing my 0x around the Nürburgring track if you haven't seen it already, because he did scare the life out of me. It don't look like it in the video, but I was genuinely scared for my life. But anyway, thank you for watching. Catch you soon. Love you. Bye.